Booleans. Python has a type of variable called bool. It has two possible values, true and false. X equals true. Print X. Print type X. True. Class bool. Rather than putting true or false directly in our code, we usually get Boolean values from Boolean operators. These are operators that answer yes/no questions. We'll go through some of these operators below. Comparison operations. Operation description. A equals B, A equal to B, A equals B, A not equal to B. A less than B, A less than B, A greater than B, A greater than B. A equals B, A less than or equal to B, A equals B, A greater than or equal to B. Def can _run_ for president, age. Can someone of the given age run for president in the U.S.? Hashtag the U.S. Constitution says you must be at least 35 years old. Return age greater than or equal to 35. Print, can a 19-year-old run for president? Can _run_ for president, 19. Print, can a 45-year-old run for president? Can _run_ for president, 45. Can a 19-year-old run for president? False. Can a 45-year-old run for president? True. Comparisons frequently work like you'd hope. 3.0 equals 3. True. But sometimes they can be tricky. 3 equals 3. False. Comparison operators can be combined with the arithmetic operators we've already seen to express a virtually limitless range of mathematical tests. For example, we can check if a number is odd by checking that the modulus with 2 returns 1. Def is _odd, n. Return, n%2, equals 1. Print, is 100 odd, is _odd, 100. Print, is -1 odd, is _odd, -1. Is 100 odd? False. Is -1 odd? True. Remember to use equals instead of equals when making comparisons. If you write n equals 2, you are asking about the value of n. When you write n equals 2, you are changing the value of n. Combining Boolean values. You can combine Boolean values using the standard concepts of AND, OR, and NOT. In fact, the words to do this are AND, OR, and NOT. With these, we can make our can _run_ for president function more accurate. Def can _run_ for president, age, is _natural born citizen. Can someone of the given age and citizenship status run for president in the U.S.? Hashtag the U.S. Constitution says you must be a natural-born citizen and at least 35 years old. Return is _natural born citizen and age greater than or equal to 35. Print, can _run_ for president, 19, true. Print, can _run_ for president, 55, false. Print, can _run_ for president, 55, true. False. False. Quick, can you guess the value of this expression? True or true and false? Click the output button to see the answer. To answer this, you need to figure out the order of operations. For example, and is evaluated before or. That's why the first expression above is true. If we evaluated it from left to right, we would have calculated true or true first, which is true, and then taken the end of that result with false, giving a final value of false. You could try to memorize the order of precedence, but a safer bet is to just use liberal parentheses. Not only does this help prevent bugs, it makes your intentions clearer to anyone who reads your code. For example, consider the following expression. Prepared for weather equals have umbrella or rain level 5 and have hood or not rain level 0 and is workday. I'm trying to say that I'm safe from today's weather. If I have an umbrella. Or if the rain isn't too heavy and I have a hood. Otherwise, I'm still fine unless it's raining and it's a workday. But not only is my Python code hard to read, it has a bug. We can address both problems by adding some parentheses. Prepared underscore for underscore weather equals have underscore umbrella, or rain underscore level 5 and have underscore hood, or not, rain underscore level 0 and is underscore workday. You can add even more parentheses if you think it helps readability. Prepared underscore for underscore weather equals have underscore umbrella, or rain underscore level 5 and have underscore hood, or not, rain underscore level 0 and is underscore workday. We can also split it over multiple lines to emphasize the three-part structure described above. Prepared underscore for underscore weather equals have underscore umbrella, or rain underscore level 5 and have underscore hood, or not, rain underscore level 0 and is underscore workday. Conditionals. Booleans are most useful when combined with conditional statements, using the keywords if, elif, and else. Conditional statements, often referred to as if-then statements, let you control what pieces of code are run based on the value of some Boolean condition. Here's an example. Def inspect x. If x equals 0, print x is 0. Elif x greater than 0, print x is positive. Elif x less than 0, print x is negative. Else, print x is unlike anything I've ever seen. Inspect 0. Inspect -15. 0 is 0. -15 is negative. The if and else keywords are often used in other languages. Its more unique keyword is elif, a contraction of else if. In these conditional clauses, elif and else blocks are optional. Additionally, you can include as many elif statements as you would like. Note especially the use of colons, smiley face, and white space to denote separate blocks of code. This is similar to what happens when we define a function the function header ends with, and the following line is indented with 4 spaces. All subsequent indented lines belong to the body of the function, until we encounter an unindented line, ending the function definition. Def f, x. If x greater than 0, print only printed when x is positive, x equals x. Print also only printed when x is positive, x equals x. Print always printed, regardless of x's value, x equals x. F1. F0. Only printed when x is positive, x equals 1. Also only printed when x is positive, x equals 1. Always printed, regardless of x's value, x equals 1. Always printed, regardless of x's value, x equals 0. Boolean conversion. We've seen int, which turns things into ints, and float, which turns things into floats, so you might not be surprised to hear that Python has a bool function which turns things into bools. Print bool 1, hashtag all numbers are treated as true, except 0. Print bool 0. Print bool asf, hashtag all strings are treated as true, except the empty string. Print bool hashtag generally empty sequences, strings, lists, and other types we've yet to see like lists and tuples. Hashtag are falsy and the rest are truthy. True. False. True. False. We can use non-Boolean objects in if conditions and other places where a Boolean would be expected. Python will implicitly treat them as their corresponding Boolean value. If 0, print 0. elif spam. Print spam. Spam. Your turn. You probably don't realize how much you have learned so far. Go try the hands-on coding problems, and you'll be pleasantly surprised about how much you can do.